Good morning students. Welcome to online computer science class. Standard 5, chapter 4, topic Introduction to Database, session 3. Before we enter into this session, we want to know the meaning of data, information and database. We already know what is meant by data. Data means the raw facts. The information refers to the processed data. The processed data is called as information. Then what is meant by database? A database is a collection of related data. It is an organized collection of data or information. Databases arrange information in such a way that any specific piece of information can be accessed or retrieved easily. So, a database can consist of related information. The next one is DBMS. What is meant by DBMS? The expansion of DBMS is Database Management System. It is a software tool that allows users to create and maintain databases. Some examples for DBMS are MS Access, FoxPro, Foxbase and Oracle. There are different types of databases are there. The first one is flat file database and the second one is relational database. The third one is hierarchical database. The fourth one is network database. The last one is object oriented database. Among these databases, the most common type is a relational database. The three components that make up a relational database are file or table, field and record. Here there are two tables, patient table and doctor table. These two tables are relate with each other with a common field name, that is doctor ID. So, these two tables are related with each other with the doctor ID field. So, it is a relational database. Then what is meant by table? A table is a collection of related information in the form of rows and columns. So, the row is a horizontal one and the columns is a vertical one. So, each row in a table is represented as a record. So, each horizontal row in a table is represented as a record. Here, this is a record. And each column in a table represents a field. So, the vertical one in a table, the vertical one is called as field or column. Next, the functions of DBMS. What are the different functions of DBMS are? It avoids the duplication. So, the duplication of data can be removed. Next, different user can use the same database to extract data based on their individual needs. So, different users use the same database and with their requirements. The third one is change in one table can be automatically updated in all the related table. Because it is a relational database, so change in one table can automatically updated to other tables in a database. And the last one is access to any record can be made protected. Access to any record can be made protected. The next one is manipulations of a database. What are the manipulation operations done in the database? The first one is searching. In a database, we can select desired specific data from it. Next one is sorting, arranging the data in a table in some order, that is in ascending order or in descending order. The third manipulation is merging. Merging means joining data from two or more tables of the same or different databases. And the fourth one is performing calculations on data. We can do calculations on the data stored in the database. And the fifth one is filtering. Filtering means limiting information that appears on the screen. We can limit the information in a database. The last one is report generation. Generating desired report from the data of the database. We just create a report for our database. These are the manipulation operations done in a database. So there are some database objects are there. The first one is table. So all the data is stored in tables. So all the data in a database are stored in the form of tables. Queries. What is mean by query? Query is a question. It is a question that we ask about the data stored in the tables. We can just ask any questions from the tables. Queries are special views of data in a table. The next one is forms. The customized screens to provide an easy way to enter or view data in table or query. It is a screen to display the data from the table. A form is simply a screen that displays the fields of record in well spaced out manner. So a form is just a screen to display our data in our table. The last one is reports. Reports are printed results of the data. It is a printed results of our data stored in a table. Now students, we come to the end of the session. Questions. The first question is define DBMS. The second question is what is table? The third question is what are the different operations of database? The fourth question is list the objects of a database. And the last question is what are the three main components of a relational database? I hope you all know the answers for these questions. Okay. Thank you students. Bye.